Hey Terry, sorry I didn't get back to you yesterday. I'm out sick, but I wanted to do this recording because this will actually solve the immediate issue of at least Facebook live stream. So what you're going to want to do is go to facebook.com/live/create. And once you're here, you may have to log in. Once you do, you'll come to this page and you're going to click on create live stream. And this will bring you to the connect your live stream to a live API. And so all we're going to be doing here is choosing what page we want it on and getting some configuration so we can then plug it into the OBS software. So the first thing is we want to come over here and choose where the live broadcast is going to go. And so if I click on the drop down here, I can choose where I want it. And in this case, I want this to go to a page that I manage. And then I'm going to choose the actual Facebook page, and I'm choosing my old Calvary Park City page. And I actually have that open right here, and you can see there's nothing live going on. Now, from here, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you enable persistent stream key. Very important. The reason why is if you don't have that checked, you're going to have to basically copy this code right here every single time you want to stream. And that's something we want to avoid. So make sure enable persistent stream key. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to copy this key right here. So I'm going to copy that. And then from there, I'm going to open up my OBS software. And I'm just going to come over to settings right here. And from settings, I'm going to go over here to stream. Now, right now, you have your set to custom streaming server. Go ahead and change that to streaming services. And then the service we're going to change to Facebook Live. And the server will leave as default. And now for the stream key, go ahead and paste that in there. And once you have that, choose OK. Now, from this point forward, you have to do two things every time you want to stream. Number one is you'll open up OBS the way we have it right here, and you'll choose Start Stream. Now, even though we started the stream there, it's not live on the page yet. And the reason why is because of Facebook, we have to come over here and tell it to go live. So you'll want to have this page kind of open in the background as well. So you'll see that it's fetching the stream from OBS, and now it's picking up my monitor. So once I have that here, I can now go ahead and choose Go Live. And now that it is moving live, if I come back here and I refresh my Facebook page, and it might take a second for it to pick it up here. Let me jump over here, just make sure. There is a small buffering. There it is. So now I can go to live, and there it is. And so now I can use my OBS software and my other monitor. So here's my mouse. I can use that just like I have been, and just like you have been. Now, when you're done streaming, another important factor here is you'll want to come over to your OBS and you're going to hit stop stream. And then you're going to simply come over to here to your Facebook and choose end broadcast. And that's it. You're done. And so that's the immediate way to fix this so you can continue to use the software. We are, again, still working on the code issue in the handshake so that way we can get all the services up and running. But for the immediate, this will solve the problem. With that, we'll go ahead and certainly pause the amount of the streaming and then just kind of go from there. So if you have any questions, let me know.